The Apex Thermal Imaging Scope from Pulsar. Main parts. The Apex Thermal Imaging Scope from Pulsar has the following parts. A germanium objective lens with objective focusing ring for adjusting the focus of the rifle scope. An observation eyepiece with a diopter adjustment ring for individual vision compensation. A battery compartment that takes two CR123A batteries for operation. The controls located on the top of the housing consist of 4 buttons: the on-off power button, the calibration button, the mode button, and the control dial. There is also a weaver rail along the side of the unit, allowing the user to mount accessories. To start the Apex, follow these simple steps. Push the power button once and wait. In several seconds, the Pulsar logo will appear on the screen. Shortly after, the image will appear. With the help of the diopter adjustment ring, make sure you can sharply see the reticle and their overlay icons under the screen. This allows the image to be adjusted for individual vision. This procedure only needs to be done once. Point the device at the target and turn the focusing ring to one side or the other until you reach a state where the object is seen sharply. When a different object is observed, refocus if necessary. Apex menu and settings. Apart from its main function, the power button has several other functions. A short press when the unit is on activates display off mode. A long press of the button turns the unit off. During calibration, the image freezes for a short time. A short press of the mode button activates digital zoom or picture-in-picture. Picture-in-picture can be activated or deactivated in the menu. When the picture-in-picture is activated, digital zoom is deactivated. For digital zoom, zooming is performed progressively up to the highest zoom factor, and then reverts to its lowest magnification. For picture-in-picture, the second small image with magnification appears on the screen. A long press of the mode button activates or deactivates mode inversion. The control dial button can be used for accessing 2 menus, the hot menu and the main menu. A short press of the dial button activates the hot menu on the right side of the screen. To switch between the settings, in the hot menu, push the control dial repeatedly. The following settings will be available: brightness, contrast, and digital zoom. In order to enter the main menu, long press the control dial. Navigation between the functions is performed by rotating the dial. The following settings are available in the menu: operation modes, rocks, forest, identification, calibration modes, manual, semi-automatic, automatic. Weapon selection. There are 3 weapon selections, 1, 2, and 3. Reticle selection. On-screen symbol brightness, reticle color selection, and reticle brightness setting. Picture-in-picture function. One-shot zeroing, free zeroing option, video output signal, clock setup, remote control activation, defective pixel repair option, and default settings. Zeroing the Apex. Mount the rifle with the rifle scope firmly on a bench rest. Set a target at a distance of about 100 meters. Take a shot. Press the control dial to enter the menu and rotate the controller to selecting the zeroing option. Move the small cross with the help of the control dial horizontally or vertically until the cross matches the point of impact. To switch between the movement directions, push the control dial to hear a click. When finished, exit the zeroing menu with the long press of the control dial. The reticle will shift to the position of the small cross.